The kingdom fungi does not perform photosynthesis. Instead, it obtains its energy by secreting digestive enzymes into food and then absorbing the pre-digested food. Examples of organisms that fall in the fungi category include yeasts, mildews, we've got molds, and mushrooms. Okay. The kingdom Plantae does perform photosynthesis. So yes, just like the Protista, they also perform photosynthesis. And remember, that is, they obtain their energy by converting, obtain energy by converting light energy to chemical compounds for food. Examples of organisms that fall in the kingdom Plantae include multicellular, vascular, and non-vascular plants. Vascular plants have specialized tissues that transport materials all throughout the plant's body. Vascular plants include ferns. They also include conifers and flowering plants. Non-vascular plants do not have those specialized tissues, and they include mosses. Some features of the kingdom Plantae include stomata, cuticle, and gametangia. We'll go into details about that in a later chapter. Okay, so kingdom Animalia, our last category in the kingdom is kingdom Animalia. They do not perform photosynthesis, and examples of organisms that fall in this category are multicellular organisms, that eat other organisms. And some of the special features of the kingdom Animalia are they have specialized tissue, so they have tissue specialization, and body organization. And remember, taxonomic classification is hierarchical, and we remember the hierarchy by this saying, kind people can only find good spouses. It goes from the least specific domain to the most specific, the individual species. Each of these levels is called a taxon. And when we look into details about the domain and the kingdom, there are three domains: archaea, eubacteria, and eukarya. And remember, archaea and eubacteria are both prokaryotes, so they include prokaryotic organisms which do not have a nucleus. Archaebacteria correspond to the domain archaea, eubacteria correspond to the domain eubacteria, and in the eukarya there are 4 kingdoms that fall under domain eukarya: Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia.